Simple and easy to follow, step-by-step sequential strategies to crack the combination so you get freedom from the endless cycle of our stress-style living and freedom to enjoy every day as it comes. You will learn why understanding how the mind and body works cracks that combination so you can solve every problem without exception. You will leave with connection to the real you, connection to others. You will leave with compassion for yourself, for others, and for the world, so you can leave your legacy by serving our world through your compelling self-empowerment. Your freedom